Hi, Jolene. How are you?
What's her name?
Jolene. Jolene Rose Curtis. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. You're a beauty. Oh, you're a beauty.
It's a security sensor that put on their legs.
Okay.
After she goes home, maybe take her to the hospital.
Yeah, I gotta remember what she looks like. You are the cutie. Aww.
How do you spell Jolene?
Jolleen. Look at those long arms. Those long legs. You're doing so good. So good.
I'm so sorry.
You are so long. You are long. Yep, it's a girl. I hadn't even looked there yet. I was just like, please, head come through. You are cutie. Get all that goopy out. Get all that goopy out.